Hey, you awesome, beautiful person. The all-consuming fire, it says in Hebrews, God is an all-consuming fire. And people have this wrong idea that this fire is there to destroy you. That fire of the Father is there to, if you don't submit to Him, He's going to kill you. He's going to destroy you. He's going to put you in hell and whatever. But that's an all-consuming fire, which is the fiercely, fiery love of the Father. That love of Him will not leave you the way that He found you. That fiercely love of the Father will go into the depths of your darkness and bring healing to you. That is the all-consuming fire. It will consume anything that is not of love's kind in you. That is the fire of the Father. The all-consuming fire consumes only the bad. And then what happens is like gold being refined in fire, you know that one? And then the dross goes to the top and he scrapes that away. That's a fiery furnace, so it must be extremely hot to purify that gold. So that is what He does. But it doesn't put you through that fire to destroy you or to whatever. No, He brings healing to you. He's there to bring healing to you. So the all-consuming fire of the Father is His love. That He will not leave anything that is not of love's kind in you. He will bring you into His fullness. As He is, so are we in this world. That is who is the beauty of the Father. Just want to encourage you with that words. Bless you to the full till it overflows. And have an awesome, wonderful, blessed, in your face day. Like, subscribe, comment. See you later. Bye.